Hi friends, it's LittleMissToyHands. It's part 2 of my first ABC sticker. Iron, iguana, instruments. But what's this? It's an ice cream. And what's this? It's an insect. Ice cream, insect, iron, iguana, instruments, jewelry, jigsaw, jam, jumper. But what's this? It's juice. Jewelry, jigsaw, jam, jumper, juice. King, kangaroo, kite. But what's this? It's kittens. But what's this? It's keys. Lemon, lion, lamp. But what's this? It's a ladybird. Leaf, lemon, lion, lamp, ladybird, leaf, mirror, mouse, milk. But what's this? It's a motorbike. And what's this? It's a magnet. Milk, motorbike, magnet, mouse, mirror, and net, nuts, mouse, nest. But what's this? It's newspaper. Ostrich, orangutan, orange, onion. But what's this? It's an owl. Ostrich, orangutan, orange, onion, owl, parrot, pear, paper, pen, paint. But what's this? It's a present. Parrot, pear, paper, paint, present. Bye-bye, siya. Matane pagkabaka. Cheers.